All right, you guys, what it do? Your boy is here at work, and this is actually an intro to the intro of this video that I'm gonna upload for you guys here. So it's just actually older content that I never loaded up. It's actually me in preparation of getting the Chevelle ready for a upcoming show that I went to. But it actually shows you what I go through to get this damn car ready. When you have a car like I think my car is pretty clean. I think it's pretty clean overall, and it's definitely probably not as clean as a lot of other cars, meaning like a lot of really show only cars or people who kind of drive their car sparingly. But my car's powder coated, whole engine bay, the wheel wells are powder coated, everything is pretty clean, the frame is painted, all that, rear end is painted, all that stuff. So the things that I have to go through to keep this car clean, which means I have to put it up on jack stands, get on my back, get under there, clean it. And it's even worse when I actually have to wash it, because now I'm laying on the ground, spraying it, getting wet, all that kind of stuff. It's a pain, but in the end, it's all worth it. It's just I try to only really detail it really in depth, maybe once or twice a year, because I really don't drive it in the rain. So anyways, again, this is old footage, kind of getting ready for a upcoming show. So like I said, I was going to try to film everything that I could for you guys, and just kind of just show all the ins and outs of everything that I do in regards to just cars in general. So here's some footage. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you're new to the channel, definitely think about subscribing now. Hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. Y'all, Mr. Grimmett 23 in the building. I actually have a class coming in right now, so I got to get off this thing. But you guys stay tuned for more footage. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Leave a comment, leave a like, man. Come on, y'all. I'm trying to do my best to keep this channel going up, up, and up. And y'all stay tuned. The Regal's coming, man. We had a little bit of a setback because my boy had a little family emergency deal. So the car is still getting worked on, but not as fast as anticipated. But I'm not in a rush. But when I get it back, they're going in on it, all right? So you guys stay tuned for that. But anyways, here we go. All right, you guys, what it freaking do? Your boy is back on the grind. One more time, your boys. Back at it again, you guys. And I am out here on a nice overcast day. It's warm, so I think this is only going to be our only kind of overcast day for this week. We actually broke a record this week in regards to sunny weather and over 80-degree weather. It was 80 degrees for like 17 or 18 consecutive days. I think it broke a record from like 1977. So it's been really, really nice here. And this week it's going to be mid to high 70s all week. And we got a car show this week. Good Guys, Puyallup, Washington. It's called the Griot's Garage Good Guys car show. And it's been going on for about 36 years. I think it might be like the third longest running Good Guys car show standing right now. So it's a big show. I mean, it could get anywhere from 2,500 to 3,500 cars. So it's gonna be a big one. So we're gonna be out there, you guys. So I'm getting the Chevelle ready right now. I have one end of it on jack stands because, well, on a jack, because when you got a car that's this nice and everything's painted, everything's powder coated, even the wheel wells, you got to wash under there. So that's the only thing. I don't say that I don't like about it, but I dislike about it, I guess you could say. But it is what it is, you guys. At least it's clean and it shows well. So anyways, I'm doing that right now. Like I said in my previous video, you guys, I'm going to film everything, or at least most of the things that I can in regards to just car content in general, because I think it'll do good for the channel. I think it'll be good for you guys, and just to see, like, I just don't do DIY stuff. I do stuff with the cars. I drive the cars, I clean the cars, I do a lot of things with the cars. So might as well just go ahead and kind of just transition into things like that now, content for you guys. And hey, nice day. This overcast weather actually shows well in pictures and videos in regards to just old school cars or cars in general, especially nice ones with nice paint jobs, things like that. So anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. Little man is sleeping, just fell asleep. Probably took him about 30 minutes. So my time is limited. It's numbered right now, so I got to get this done. So my goal right now is just to get the car cleaned, wiped down, and then back in, and then can start kind of attacking it out throughout the week so I don't have to do it all in one day and feel rushed at the end of the week to get it done by Saturday early morning, because we leave to go to the car show really early in the morning. You kind of got to do that on some of these shows to get a good, decent spot, so that's what we're going to do. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, definitely think about subscribing, y'all. Hit the notification bell, all that good stuff, y'all. Mr. 23 in the building. And I just realized I forgot my stand, so let me go get that right now. Stay tuned, more to come. She is all clean now, at least on the outside. There's a couple little things that I gotta touch up, but I could do that a little later on. And shoot, we good. I even wiped down the engine. I still gotta finish doing that. But we looking a lot better, man. But a couple of things that I did find, of course, man, this damn kit, man, the CVF racing kit. I do not recommend it. It's just been a pain in the ass. Excuse my language, but now I'm finding that a belt is fraying right here, which means it's off alignment. You can see all the dust and remnants from it, and it looks like it's riding too far back, as you can tell right here, but you can also see here on this pulley, it looks like the harmonic balancer might be in too far, or it's probably correct because I torqued it to the right spec. But this kit, man, I swear. And I didn't use, did I use, I can't remember if I used gaskets in between here or not, and that might be the difference. If you guys didn't know, LS gaskets use like aluminum or metal gaskets with like rubber, I guess you could say, inserts to kind of seal it. But I really can't remember if I did or not, but that could be the difference. I don't know, you guys. I mean, I'm just sick and tired of it. So hopefully I can still ride it and it'll just fray there and it'll be fine. But I don't know, you guys. I'm just tired of this kit. I would have went with a completely different kit if I did it all over again. But I had to cut a hole in the inner fender well, so if I change it, then you know, I have to do something with that hole or cover it up somehow. I don't know, you guys. But anyways, my little one has woken up, so I got to go ahead and get inside here. But let me go ahead and at least back this thing up so you guys can kind of see. And if you guys saw my dirty, or not my dirty, if you guys saw my my dead grass, disregard that altogether because it hasn't rained here in quite some time. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna try to back this thing up. All right, y'all, so that is a wrap. I didn't get all of it backing in, but you probably saw it backed in. I think I pulled it out again and then backed it back in because I didn't like where it was. Plus, we are storing my my little one's running stroller. My wife is training for a half marathon, and so she has that stroller and she needs to be able to access it easily. So we have it over there in the corner, so I have to make sure I have the car over enough so it doesn't get hit and to make room for it. But I do got to get inside, though. He's been waiting patiently here for a good little bit. He's a good boy, you guys, and I'm truly blessed that he just basically sits there and until I come in. So I don't want to take advantage of that. I just wanted to at least finish this, which I did, and then I had to clean up. So now he has a shoe in his bed, so which looks like he probably pulled the drawers out from his shoe cabinet and got some shoes out. So I'm sure there's shoes all over the floor right now, along with some drawers. But anyways, you guys, let me go ahead and get out of here. I appreciate you guys. Hopefully you guys like these videos. Thank you. She's looking real clean right now. Real clean, you guys. So anyways, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, y'all. Mr. Griffin 23 in the building. Yes, sir. So hopefully I can get some more footage. If I don't get any more this week, I'll try to get some of the show. I'm really bad at taking footage at shows because I like to just kind of just relax and not have my camera out, but I might do some walking around. I'm really bad at kind of walking around because sometimes it's really hot and I just like to just sit and chill since I don't get to sit and chill too much during the week. But this week's supposed to be nice weather. I'm gonna try to get out a little bit, see if I can get some footage for you guys. But you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, y'all. Mr. Girl 23 in the building. I'm out of here. Deuces. Peace out.